Mom was bigger now. Mom's always like. All the good. Then I'll start skirting in a minute.
Bring it back out of there. Oh my. Yeah, man, you gonna have to let it get to where we can.
Where's Mom at? No, let me stick one there. I told you. There you go. She went right where I knew she was gonna go.